am the orange one. Hello. And come on here.
Hello, I am Irene from Finland.
And welcome to my channel. But you are now here, so you can take over.
Welcome to Snoy's new channel.
Yes, welcome. We are gathered here today because we would like to play a little game called 5-second rule.
The rules are very simple. The player is asked a simple question and has only 5 seconds to come up with 3 answers before the time runs out. The one who loses gets
a humiliation.
a punishment.
Yes.
Yes. And the one who wins gets to decide it.
Yes.
And then the winner also gets a mega prize.
Yes. The value of the prize is 10 euros.
Okay. Well, okay. Start.
Name 3 things that help your self-esteem.
Meditation, makeup, hair extensions.
Yes.
Hair extensions. So 1 point for Ian. Name 3 rock bands.
AC/DC, rock and roll for the ages. I have no idea. Or Red Hot Chili Peppers maybe.
I think that's more of punk. No, that's probably rock.
Name 3 types of mammals.
Cat, dog, hamster, dog.
Is hamster a mammal? Do they lay eggs?
No, they don't.
Okay.
I haven't
Yes.
seen a teeny tiny.
Okay, so yes.
Name 3 oxymorons.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is an oxymoron?
Oh, can we Google what is an oxymoron?
I will Google.
I have heard the word before, but I don't know the definition of the word.
This is kind of hard. A figure of speech in which 2 words with opposing meanings are used together for effect, like fucking dumbass beautiful. 1, 2, 3, now!
Okay, fucking calm. Beautifully ugly. Freezing hot. No. ¿Qué pasa? Name 3 colors of sex.
3 colors of sex. Yellow, pink, blue.
What the hell does that mean? 3 colors of sex.
Why are those questions so stupid? I paid 2 euros for that.
Does that mean like a blue, pink, and something?
Yellow. Stupid question. But I think I got a point.
I think you didn't.
I think I got a point. I think I got a point. Name 3 famous Marias.
Maria Gonzalez, Maria Kokoro, and Maria Leinonen.
Who is Maria Gonzalez?
Oh, she's a very famous singer from Colombia.
Aha, and who is Maria Leinonen? What did you say?
She's an artist.
No.
These questions are so dumb. Name 3 ridiculous outfits you would wear to a monster ball.
What the fuck is a monster ball? A swimsuit, a harness, or a jacksuit?
What the fuck?
Name 3 player positions in soccer.
Goalie, left and right.
And front and back.
I think I got it right.
I don't think it's left and right. Hey, I played left.
And now you get this. Name 3 numbers.
1, 2, 3, 69, 420. So now you will get a little bit easier question. Name 3 activities that make you sweat.
Sex, walking, running.
Does walking make you sweat?
In hot climates.
Well, in hot climates you can sit down in the sun.
Yeah, but speed walking.
Yes, you will get a point, but out of pity in this case, because walking does not make you sweat. Sometimes, yes. Sometimes sleeping also makes you sweat if you have the night sweats.
If you have the lizard discos.
Yes, Finnish word of today, lisko disco.
Say it
with me, lizard disco. AKA night sweats and withdrawal symptoms.
Okay, name 3 reasons to be jealous.
Stupid men, stupid women, and reading someone's texts.
Okay.
Well, I I don't get jealous about flowers or such.
Yes.
Stupid men makes me jealous.
And stupid woman.
Name 3 newspapers.
Helsingin Sanomat, Västra Nyland, Savon Sanomat.
Point. That was a very close one.
Name 3 things you would find in a lost sock drawer.
A condom, a gun, and weed.
Yes. I need to check my lost sock drawer quickly.
Oh! She lost a little bit of
Something.
not guns and not condoms.
No, yeah.
Name 3 mistakes you can do when drunk.
Hit your head, slap someone by mistake, drink too much.
You went too slow.
Oh.
Or you hit someone by mistake.
Oh, I have done that.
No, sorry.
Too slow. Name 3 religious holidays.
Christmas, Thanksgiving, no, ei vittu, pääsiäinen.
Christmas and Easter.
Easter and what else?
Like Hanukkah.
What Finnish holidays? Christmas, Easter.
There are only 2.
No, Lucia. No,
Lucia is not
No.
religious.
What about when you 6th of January?
Loppiainen.
Ploppiainen, when you have to throw the
Christmas tree away.
Christmas tree out from the window.
Do
Like
other
this.
countries also throw the Christmas tree out the window on the 6th of January? Because that's tradition.
Did you see the video where someone threw a Christmas tree out from the window and then it landed like...
Oh, I did!
Name 3 people dumber than you.
You...
No, I'm not!
I can't say this! Okay. I can't start name dropping people here.
Maria!
Those types of questions are good. Like, that you really don't want to answer.
Yeah.
Name 3 reasons to have sex.
Because you like someone, because you're horny, and because you want to make someone jealous.
You were too slow.
Name 3 famous ships.
What ships? Santa Maria, Nina, Jose.
It's like boat, like ships.
Yes. Those were the Columbus boats. Santa Maria, Nina, and the third one. I should have said Viking Line, Silja Line,
And
Eckerö
Titanic.
Line.
The Titanic.
Oh, yes.
Famous.
Uh,
Eckerö Line is not... Well, it's famous in here.
Yes. Name 3 Croatian islands.
Hvar... I've been to the islands.
You dumb little bitch.
Name 3 singers who are considered legends.
Michael Jackson, Madonna, Cher.
That was a good one.
Yes.
Time to...
Okay, Letto. Name 3 colors you might see in a desert sunset.
Red, orange, yellow, purple,
Tomato.
tomato.
Aren't the sunsets similar everywhere?
No. Name 3 small creatures that people are afraid of.
A spider,
Genius?
This is hard when this is not your mother tongue. To be honest, I wouldn't have come up with them in Finnish either. Because a snake is not a small creature.
Maybe a rat or a mouse
Yes.
or a fly.
Are people afraid of flies?
Some
Maybe
people.
bees?
Bee.
Yes.
Hedge, hodge. No, I meant wasp.
Last summer, my hand got bitten by a wasp. It hurt like a real mother.
Yeah, the wasp was like this big.
Yes. It was horrible. My whole hand swelled up. It was great.
And then you stepped on a nail also.
Yes, and also hurt my leg very bad.
All in the same day.
Name 3 things you might hear in a song sung by a pirate parrot.
How can I know what the pirates papukaija soittaa? Name 3 famous CEOs or entrepreneurs.
Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Trump. I was surprised by myself. I thought of
All of those fuckers can look like that.
I was thinking about the guy from Microsoft.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates, yes, but Trump came out of my mouth.
Out of nowhere.
Name 3 Smurfs.
Papa Smurfs, Daddy Smurfs, Son Smurfs, Girl Smurf.
That was not correct.
Papa Smurf was
Papa
correct.
Smurf was correct.
I have no idea about the rest of them Smurfs. This is a very stupid question. Name 3 things you would say to a talking piece of furniture.
Hello? How are you speaking? What is up? Do you like it here? Do you like it here?
What is up?
Name 3 cities in the USA.
Texas, California, Miami. Or the city,
California is actually a state.
It's also a city.
I don't think California is a city.
Well, Texas is also a state.
Oh yes.
But there might be a little Texas inside Texas.
I don't think so.
So
I will say no.
Write please in the comments if you disagree with any of our decisions that we have made. Name 3 cities on a river.
What the fuck? On a river? What? What the hell does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean?
What I mean?
That's a very
Let's
stupid
continue.
question.
On a river.
Okay, Killu, you have to get this right. Name 3 cities in Germany.
Frankfurt, Munich, Berlin.
Good.
Yes. Okay, the round is now ended.
Oh.
I won.
Yeah, so okay, but we are playing best from 3.
So now let's
take the idiot questions
Huh,
away.
what?
Take fun questions away.
name 3 sexualities.
Sexualities of what?
Gay.
Gay, straight, lesbian. Sexualities of what? Name 3 songs with a slow tempo.
My heart will go on, no matter why I see Sky in the moment.
Sky, I love Sky in the
And
moment.
no matter what you see. I was thinking about Nothing Else Matters and Lucy in the Sky. But that's also not that, that's quite... So it's not even that slow.
Yes.
Fuck that shit. Name 3 songs that mention food. Hot dogs.
Pizza, tequila. Din, 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 din. I have no idea.
Hot dog in the night. Watermelon and sugar. Watermelon
Okay,
sugar.
watermelon sugar, yes. And then a Finnish song called Sushi. So fresh nigga sushi. South move wasabi, wasabi. I've never seen a pizza roll like that.
The pizza roll in your hand.
Okay. Name 3 instruments that might make you laugh.
And a little balalaika probably, and a flute.
That's a weird question. You were too slow. But great answers. I don't know, but I know.
Gazooka. Gazoinks.
Bazooka.
Bazooka.
But bazooka is maybe like.
Oh yeah. Name 3 singers who have their own perfume line.
Billie Eilish, Ariana Grande, Beyonce.
I have actually never seen Beyonce's perfume, but she might have.
She has a very nice perfume.
Can I fact check?
Beyonce's perfume smells like...
Yeah, she has a...
Yes! That was a wild guess. Name 3 reasons to stay single.
Stupid men, cheaters, taxes.
You get a tax relief if you're single in Finland.
Name 3 songs that are considered classics.
Highway to Hell, Nothing Else Matters, Do You Believe?
Do you
believe
That was as we say, Sillä ja Hilkulla.
I think it was...
No, you can get a point then.
Sillä ja Hilkulla means like...
Is it
Is it maybe or maybe not?
It's like almost, but...
Name 3 genres often associated with electronic dance music, EDM.
Techno, trance, hardstyle.
Oh, impressive. I did not think you
Why,
would get hardstyle.
Dude, I hate hardstyle. I
Yes.
think it's the worst genre of them all.
Yes. I went once to a club in Berlin and I paid a lot of money to get into the club, and I didn't know they were playing only hardstyle in the club, and it was like, it's so terrifying being there when people are like dancing like that.
Name 3 songs with the animals in the title.
What does a fox say? I can't. Bears in the night.
Birds in the sky,
Oh,
whales
yeah.
in the ocean,
Yes, they're
hound dog,
birds of a feather, maybe.
and monkeys on the run.
Name 3 ways to make your partner happy.
Giving them a little present, giving them a kiss, and cleaning their shit after them.
That was also Hilkulla. Man, I will give it to you.
Yes.
Cleaning.
It's the worst when you find a dirty underwear somewhere and then it has a little a shit stain there.
Does that happen a lot?
No, but it has happened once and I was like, huh? Use the bidet. For heaven's sake. Name 3 famous Michaels.
Michael Jackson, Michael Keaton, Michael Bros.
Michael Birds.
Bro.
Broskis. I would have let Michael Scott slide in also.
Oh, I didn't even think of Michael Scott. Name 3 things you can climb.
A mountain, a wall, and a hill.
Is a mountain and a hill different?
Yes.
Maybe they are.
You
Yes.
can say Mount Everest is a hill.
Oh, yes.
Name 3 singers who... It's the same question! Name 3 singers who are considered legends and don't use the ones that you used before.
Okay, Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, Beyonce. Name 3 male porn stars.
Girthmaster, Will Owens, what the fuck,
Skip. I would have also said Girth Master, but I don't really know anyone else.
I know the 2 tattooed very skinny boys with the huge slums.
I
And
don't
they
know
always
those.
fuck one in the middle.
Oh,
Name 3 current presidents.
Trump, Stubb, Zelensky.
Wow!
I
Which is political.
am impressed by myself. Name 3 hairstyles for your pubes.
The landing strip, porcelain, and full bush.
Nice.
Name 3 hottest nationalities.
Colombian, Sweden, Finland.
Ukraine.
Does it mean like
Poland.
like hot by Celsius or like hot?
I think hot.
Okay. Then that was right. Name 3 ways to die alone.
No.
That was a nice question.
Name 3 ways to take off someone's underwear.
With your hands, with your feet, with your teeth.
Yo yo yo.
With a stick. Name 3 objects that are blue.
A blueberry, a blue ball, a blue square.
I have my blue square right there.
What the fuck? What is like generally a blue thing?
A toothbrush.
Name 3 genres that originated in Africa.
Genres of what?
Whatever.
The African genre? Genre of what?
Like maybe African music, African
Maybe
food,
foods.
African clothing, African travel shows.
Okay, name 3 things you might buy as a souvenir from a concert.
A t-shirt, a CD, or a hat.
Oh, yes.
Name 3 months in a year.
January, February, March. Do they pronounce the R in February or February?
February.
I don't think they
February.
pronounce the R.
It's February.
February.
February. In Finnish, it is called helmikuu, pearl moon.
Name 3 things that can be used for anal sex.
Cucumber, zucchini, eggplant, dildo.
Nice that there was foods first. Yes, points.
Points for me. Ew! Name 3 reasons to masturbate.
Oh, when you looked at a Chris Evans post.
That's a good one. Chris Evans.
I have his face in my mind, but I don't really know what he does.
I have to Google who that is. Oh, it's that one, of course! Of course you need to. He is handsome. I get it now.
Yes. Did I get the point?
No, but I would have one pity point is coming like.
I don't know where that came from.
It was maybe your spirit guide talking
Yes.
to you.
Name 3 adjectives used to describe girls.
Beautiful, funny, gorgeous,
Smart. Strong.
independent. I don't understand the question. Name 3 Olympic disciplines.
Don't smoke, don't burn down the Olympic house.
Don't kill.
The common Olympic house. Oh, so that was
A
like
tie.
yeah.
That was a tie. So I'm still in one point more. Name 3 types of makeup.
Lipstick, eyeliner,
Oh
blush.
shit! No, well, you got that.
Yes.
I forgot to press the button.
Name 3 famous people that were adopted.
Tyra Banks, Machine Gun Kelly.
Hey, we have googled this before, but I can't remember. Oprah. No,
Maybe.
I can't remember any.
That's why it's open like orphan. Name 3 games you play with a square.
A square.
A ball.
Handball, football,
Golf, tennis, bowling.
I had in mind like polttopallo, but I
Oh.
didn't know how to say that in English.
Polttopallo has a different. It's some kind of.
Dodgeball.
Yes.
Yes.
That was very nice game when we were younger.
Yes, we played dodgeball a lot in school. Those are a little bit too big for you. Name 3 flavors of pudding.
Chocolate, gravy, vanilla.
Gravy pudding.
Gravy pudding.
Gravy pudding.
Gravy pudding.
I will say no.
No, let's Google because I know that there is a gravy pudding. Easy Yorkshire pudding. Oh, shit. Kidney pudding. Name 3 states in USA.
Aha!
States. Name 3 states in the USA.
Texas, California, and Arkansas.
Damn.
Name 3 male names starting with an A.
Mikä ei?
Ah!
Aaron, Atte, Antti.
Mikä ei?
No kun mä mietin koko ajan EItä. Name 3 male names that starts with J.
Jay, Jake, Jacob. Name 3 things you don't need when having sex.
Hammer, a hammock, and apples.
Well, sometimes you need apples.
Sometimes, if you need a snack in between.
Yes.
Name 3 things that makes guys horny.
Boobs, butt, vaginas. Name 3 things you buy for school.
Pencils, backpacks, and shoes.
Good.
Name 3 theaters.
The National Theatre of Helsinki, the Theatre of London.
Theatre of London.
Name 3 people you love.
Snoikko,
That's a point.
name 3 objects that create a lot of noise.
A dishwasher, drum, and kazoo.
No, vähän siellä ja hilkulla nyt kuulee. A dishwasher isn't that noisy.
Oh, some dishwashers are very noisy.
But you know,
This one is a very noisy one.
an ambulance is quite noisy. Or a siren, or a fire alarm.
Yes, but a dishwasher, when you are trying to film something, is very annoying.
What was the second one?
A drum.
I like this kind.
Yes.
No vittu, this is a pity point once again.
Name 3 famous people from Spain.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Rico de Sombreros, Ricky Martin.
Is he from Spain?
Or, I don't know. Name 3 characters from a Disney movie about animals.
Snow White, Snow White. Snow White.
Lumikki. About animals. Snow White was about the woman and the 7 dwarfs.
Oh, only about animals.
Oh, I would like consider like Bambi, Finding Nemo.
But Snow White got dressed by little animals.
But that's not the point. The point is about the Snow White who eats an apple and goes to coma. Not today, samurai.
Okay, name 3 things with buttons.
A shirt.
A backpack, a jacket. Nice.
How many times have I said backpack today? Name 3 historical events.
The World War I, World War II, the Ice Age.
Is that a historical event? More like a time period. Sorry, no pity points today. The Stone Age.
Okay, name 3 ways to describe boobs.
Voluptuous, juicy, round. Nice, big, very nice. Name 3 sex toys for boys.
The G-spot thingy, butt plug, dildo.
You didn't have time to do that. And what's a G-spot thingy?
You know, the thing that has like a that goes in the butt and it stimulates the G-spot.
Stimulates.
Name 3 things that turn you off.
Snot, stupid men, and traffic.
Oh, traffic is like, I'm not in the mood, there's just traffic around.
Well, you can get tired if you are stuck in a traffic for a long time.
Oh, yes. But how many times have you answered with stupid men? I will say yes to this one.
Yes, well, yes, it was good. Name 3 mountain peaks.
Mount Everest, peak 1, peak 2, peak 3.
Is there multiple peaks there?
I would say so. Name 3 things you can put on the floor.
Mic, and then shoes, and then a backpack.
Tonight we gonna be it on the floor.
Yeah. Drop it like it's hot.
Backpack was nice.
Name 3 male names that starts with an S.
Main.
Name male S. Nimi meis.
Simon, Sam, Samuel. Okay, name 3 excuses used to avoid sex.
Period, BVs, and disgusting
What is BVs?
bacterial vaginosis.
Oh. Headaches, maybe.
Tiredness from the traffic, you know.
Yes.
Name 3 subjects in high school.
Math, physics, music. Name 3 places for a quickie.
Elevator, bathroom, the stairs.
That is nice. Did you know Michael Scott and Holly's first time was in stairs?
Oh! So
Yes.
what's the point?
Yes.
Name 3 types of birds.
Punatulkku, birds of a feather, a swan. Is it okay to say them in Finnish?
No, because the public don't then understand. A
Mockingbird.
raven, a crow, a pigeon, a flamingo, a duck,
A seagull.
a cock-a-doodle-doo.
An emu. Name 3 activities you do when no one is watching.
Showering, shitting, pissing. Nice. Nice. Name 3 famous ski resorts.
Levi, Tahko, Åre.
I was like, if she doesn't know this, then I'm gonna kill.
I was thinking about like Switzerland's the places, but I don't know a single. Like,
I was like, Rukalevi ylläs!
Name 3 reasons to stay faithful.
Inheritance, taxes, no killings involved.
Oh, taxes again. Which one is it? Single or in a
No,
in a
no,
couple?
if you are married and faithful, and then you get a tax relief, if you, I think, you know.
I think also
I
you get very good tax reliefs when you don't cheat on your husband.
And no killings are involved.
Well, this was a dumb round.
I think I got a second point.
I got 8 points and you got 9.
I think I have won the game.
Yeah, you have won the game.
Now it's time for the humiliation! I have come up with the humiliation now, and the humiliation is Snuikku needs to call a pizzeria and say that I'm standing in front of your pizzeria. Is it okay if I come and take a shit in your bathroom? Because I can't hold it in anymore.
Oh my god.
I'm like 50 meters away from you. Is it please, can I come?
And with my own telephone.
You can block your number, of course.
Oh.
And we can take a pizzeria like far from us.
Okay, let's do like a Rovaniemi pizzeria.
Yeah. Yes.
Should I do an accent?
Yes, do a British accent.
I only know how to do like a very posh British.
Do a very, very posh British accent. Okay, here's one number. A very posh accent. Ah. Let's change the number. Put this one.
Oh, I don't want to do this.
Round 2.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, this is your homegirl Elizabeth speaking. I am standing here outside of your fine establishment, and I was wondering if it's okay if I take a dump in your establishment. I will not buy a pizza, but I am in very bit of a hurry. Please answer quickly.
No troubles.
Is it okay if I come in?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. See you in a jiffy. I haven't done that in such a long time. and
Maybe
that was,
20 years.
that was excruciating.
In your fine establishment. Also, I will still be waiting for my 10-euro reward.
Oh, I have your reward right here.
Oh,
It's a little bit of chili oil.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. This was a very wonderful thing that you...
Witnessed now.
Okay, thank you. Come again.
Hey, hey.
Sweet behind the scenes photo. Look at the teeny. Oh, you're so wonderful teeny.